Okay, so all right, guys, in the last session, we have discussed about Bitcoin price action. I was obviously bullish from the bottom that we had shared and bought a lot of spot there, and we're in a lot of longs, almost 40 are in our Discord, doesn't matter. But yes, last update, we were bullish, scalping levels out, and which works very well. Now, talking about this week price action, I think, in my opinion, we have been really bullish. So, but the altcoins are still behind us. They haven't pumped that much. But so I think what could happen this week is that either we will consolidate and alt will give some rally maybe. And this is how you can do. And saying about the levels of Bitcoin. Okay, so I had told you that once we reclaim a level, okay, there is a potential the price could reverse. You have to know some confirmation at the low, but that's something I won't give you here. But this is something tells you the real move. If you have checked my Twitter or Discord, so I have shared you why we have pumped from here comparing from the backend data. Okay, it's all about it is simple price action, but some advanced bits. Okay. So in the last session or last video, we have talked about this all, and now talking about the current levels. So I would say one simple thing. This is my higher time frame levels, which I have marked. Okay, so you can take a look. So in my opinion, until and unless we are above this area, this key level of $47,000, okay, or let's say you can use the invalidation point going below this low maybe. My like until unless we are above 46,000, the higher ranges are too much possible. I'm not saying it will just go in one direction, just pump. We can fluctuate a lot of time, but yes, we there is a huge chances. And until and unless we will go below this area, then what is the potential area where you can buy or where you can start looking for swing longs again? Is your first one is your this obviously, because this was the interested zones of the previous market, which is your nearly 44,000, 45,000 to $44,000. So this is your area of interest. Now going on the lower time frame, as you can see, now you will say my charts are very simple like a bullshit trader, but no, it is something which works, and you have to know the lower time frame confirmation to know this. So these are the levels you have to interact with and understand what makes it bearish or bullish. Once you understand the BS and you have an entry model or exit model, you're going to make it obviously, but until unless you don't have it, you are not going to make it, as simple as it is. So now this is your lower time frame scalp level. If it hold here and give you some bullish price action at this area, potential long to the upside. If we come to this area in the week, and however I had shared you that the weekly closing is literally good and it's bullish. Okay, we can touch this area, or we can also dump and touch. Anything could happen, but you have to understand the lower time frame price action. Okay, but still, if everything is bullish and you don't have any confirmation, you should not go bearish, right? Now if you see here, it's completely now it's going sideways because it was weekend obviously. So now this is the area you could play a next scalp if it's given to you. And saying next area where you could, I will say I won't short it. Okay, so wait for the areas and short it, take a scalp short and all that stuff. Now talking about the Ethereum chart. All right, so I have taken a lot of trades this week. No, I would not lie, I will show you the P&Ls if you want, but yeah, I have taken a lot of trades on big accounts, small accounts and all that shit. But yeah, on Ethereum, this is the area of interest simply. If price drop to this area, this is a good buying. If not, then you have to need to have some patience. Okay, so if you see here, I think this is a good area of interest where the price could hold, and then this is the order block at the same area. So potentially if the price come to your this area, you could try some longs. Okay, so yeah, this is the key of area of interest is 24,550 areas. Then it could to go to the upside, or you have to take some fast scalp in the zone. If it is zoning, or I mean to say, if it is in a market is on a range, you need to take fast scalps. If the market is in a ranging trades or ranging, you need to take swings. Take a scalp entry and make it a swing. You will make good money. And then if you talk about Sol, I already talked about it. We were in the long. I had shared the entry of mine on Twitter here. I just longed there at 95, sold at 106. Simple. Okay, do we have any other chart? Let me see. Okay, so yeah, Link was near was a good chart, but now I don't see any huge. And I would like to just tell you about the Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if you see, okay, now let's take a look at USDT dominance as well. So on my Twitter, on my Discord, everywhere, I talked about this, that once we hit this resistance area, we can come down to this area, okay? And once the USDT dominance is bullish or bearish, it's just opposite of Bitcoin. So if USDT dominance is bullish, Bitcoin will be bearish. If Bitcoin is bearish, it will be bullish. That's it. Okay, so at this resistance area, I said that yes, we are going down and we were at the weekly support on Bitcoin. That's why I told everyone to buy spot, buy spot, buy spot. Okay, and we're dumping, and every coin is almost up 30-50%, which is a good thing. Now talking about the price action on this level, let me take a look. Okay, so if you see here, I think we have some sort of you can say this area maybe. So yeah, or even though this is not bad, so yeah, we need to flip this area for the first time. We are at the support and resistance zone. Okay, so 100% you need to have some patience until if we don't flip this area, stay bullish for Bitcoin. This is your next target, and then after that, at this area, you can take some profits on your long. That's the simple plan of USDT dominance. Now talking about AVAX, it was basically your we bought almost here $33-$35 in a futures long position with Bozy, and it's running good at this moment. I have no doubt that we can even test the highs. No doubt. Personally, no doubt. We will more likely we will test $50 in my opinion. And the price action is literally looking bullish to me. So I have zero doubts that it can't go up. Okay, if it is now, what would be the longs area? So if it is giving you some key interest at this area, please go and long it with some sort of lower time frame confirmation. And I think that is all for today's video. And if there is some update, I will post on my Twitter and Discord. So till the time, goodbye, because I think the price is all you need to know, and the levels and the BS. Once you're clear with that, for which I make videos, then that's it. You can trade on your own. And if you're not, you have a great Discord community team. And if you are not in our Discord and watching this video, feel free, if you want to join, just check out the description and you can join it at 50% discount. So guys, that is all about today's session. See you in the next one with something good, and let's see if I can make the next video on any educational content. So for that, I am signing off. See you guys in the next video. Till the time, enjoy your weekend by watching this video, and that's it. Good night, boys, or whatever time frame it is for you. Good, cool. Like and subscribe button and have the notification on. See you in the next one, boys. Cheers.